Hey everyone, welcome back to Dig Dig. Today we're celebrating one of the most important days in American history, the 4th of July, Independence Day. Scene 1. What is the 4th of July? The 4th of July marks the day in 1776 when the United States declared independence from British rule. The Declaration of Independence, written by Thomas Jefferson, was signed on this day, giving birth to a new nation built on freedom, equality, and courage. Scene 2. Why it matters today. More than 2 centuries later, this day reminds us of the power of unity and the ongoing fight for liberty and justice for all. It's a time to honor the past, reflect on our present, and keep working toward a better future. Scene 3. How Americans celebrate. From coast to coast, the 4th of July is celebrated with fireworks lighting up the sky, barbecues with friends and family, music, parades, and patriotic pride, flags waving high across neighborhoods and cities. It's more than a party. It's a celebration of American spirit, resilience, and the freedom we hold dear. So wherever you are, light a sparkler, wave a flag, and celebrate what brings us together. From all of us here at Dig Dig, we wish you a safe, joyful, and powerful 4th of July. Hit that like button if you're feeling patriotic, and don't forget to subscribe for more meaningful moments. Outro music fades in flag waving animation plus Dig Dig logo, optional add-ons, add clips of fireworks, American flags, smiling families, parades, use upbeat music with a slight patriotic feel.